You ever print a big print job and all of a sudden you start getting white lines through those nice, pretty big color copies that you're making? Well, today I'm going to go through and show you how to correct that by cleaning your drum lenses on a C and B model 8100 series copier. Open the front cover, and here is your waste toner transport. You'll remove that by turning the lock counterclockwise and pushing the end tabs inward and then pulling the transport assembly out of the machine. That'll expose your cleaning holes. You'll have to take this rod out of the front cover. You'll take that rod by the handle. It's got a U shape on it. So you'll insert that rod all the way to the rear and back out about 3 times on each color. Replace the rod back into the front cover by stabbing it into this first and then roll it up under the middle white tab, and then it should seat right where it needs to. You can replace your transport assembly by pushing evenly on it until it clicks. Make sure to remember to lock it with the orange round handle, and then you can close your front cover. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.